How to create an IMO account. Want to start using IMO? This guide shows you how to create an IMO account so you can start chatting with friends and family. First, open the IMO app and tap on the register or sign up button. IMO will ask you for a phone number. You need to select your country from the drop-down menu and enter a phone number. This is the only way to create an account on IMO. After you enter your phone number, IMO will send a verification code to your iPhone via SMS. You'll need to enter this code into the app to verify your phone number. If you don't receive the code, you can request it again for OPT or a voice call verification. Once your phone number is verified, you can set up your profile. You'll need to add a profile picture and a name. You can also add a short bio or a status to let your contacts know what you're up to. Once you're done, you can start using IMO. You now know how to create an IMO account. Get ready to start chatting. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.